Hi, I'm Justin Nystedt with Denison Yachting, and today we just dropped anchor to show you this 2020 HCB Estrella 65. This one is called Arthur's Way. Here's what you need to know about this boat. One, she feels really safe when you're out cruising. Nice big volume. You also have room inside the cabin, so if you want to get out of the elements, you certainly can. Another thing you're going to love about this boat is all the different lounge spaces, from the foredeck to the aft deck and even the helm area. This boat also has great fishability. You'll see that in a moment. One thing I also like about the boat is there's plenty of room for doing just what we're doing today, hanging out at the sandbar. So by having such a large center console, you have so many different places to hang out. One of my favorites is the foredeck. You also have a dinette inside the helm, this awesome mezzanine back here for hanging out while you're fishing, and plenty of space around for everybody. If I had to pick one thing that defines this boat, makes her way better than any other, it's the fit and finish, such as the teak cap rails, wide plank teak underfoot, and varnish surfaces such as these countertops, and this beautiful brand new fighting chair. So one thing that makes this center console stand out from others is actually having a fighting chair. There's also a rocket launcher or a table that can replace the fighting chair. This brings us to one of the greatest features about this 65, fishability right here on this aft deck. So across the transom, you have live wells, which also can be seating. One of the cool features is the seat back can be removed while you're fishing. So underneath this wide plank teak that we mentioned earlier, there are fish boxes on both sides, and forward of that, you have storage on either side. One of the things I love about this mezzanine is how practical it is. You have freezers/refrigerators on both sides. You have storage in the cabinets, sinks above, space for the barbecue, and underneath, plenty of storage as well. Aesthetically, you're gonna notice how the hardtop gives you plenty of shade here, and you also have a sunshade. You have plenty of rocket launchers for all your gear. And one of the things I really love about the boat is the black antennas with the white. I really think it pops and it looks great. So moving forward, when you're pulling in that big one, or you're out at the sandbar and you just wanna dive in, we have these dive doors on either side. So in terms of performance, this particular Estrella was powered with Quint 425, the most fuel efficient package that the Estrella offered. This boat is capable of 26 knots cruising and 42 knots wide open throttle with a very economical cruise speed. So back to the mezzanine, not only do you have plenty of seating, you have a place for a barbecue on both sides, sinks on both sides, and one of my favorite things is having these two 12-inch Garmins on either side. You can check your fish finder, check the chart plotter, or even watch a ball game if you want. So when you're not using live bait, you have plenty of room right here for your frozen bait. So moving forward, you have trash, plenty of room for your tackle, and a refrigerator. On today's sea trial, we had 5 to 6 foot waves, and the wind was really blowing. It made us really appreciate this isinglass side curtains on both sides, which also help to keep the air conditioning inside. This boat is equipped with 2 AC units, one for this helm area in here and the other for down below in the cabin. These air conditioning units can be powered by the generator, which is through this hatch right here. So down here, we have what we jokingly say is the engine room. The mechanical room houses the Seakeeper 9, your generator, and all your electrical supply. So in here, in the air-conditioned helm area, you'll find this awesome U-shaped seat. And this table right here below my feet comes up when it's time for some alfresco dining. And when you have additional guests, these chairs in the helm all turn around so you can all be part of the action together. So up here in the forward half of the helm area, we have an array of electronics and everything you need to run this boat. In front of you, across the dash, you have triple Garmin 8627s. Directly below these monitors, you have your engine controls, joystick, bow and stern thrusters, and your trim tabs. Finally, overhead here, you have your Yamaha engine monitors and easy access to your VHF radio. As you approach the foredeck, you notice this beautifully varnished cap rail that wraps all around the bow. Plenty of seating up here, so you can have this table set up as a sun pad, or you can bring the table up when you want to have lunch. You also have these awesome 2 seats right here for lounging while you're cruising. To both port and starboard, you'll see these hatches for ice chests, and below them, you'll see plenty of JL audio speakers throughout to keep the party going all afternoon. So another cool feature about this boat that I know you're gonna like is how wide this cap rail is. It's a good spot to jump in the water, or from here, I can point out our antennas. So from up here, you can see the boat is equipped with Wi-Fi, FLIR, track vision, radar, everything you need to keep you safe out on the water. Also from up here, you can see there's 3 windows to the cabin that allow plenty of natural lighting. This is what I want to show you next. So down here in the salon, one of the first things I like to do, is like I mentioned earlier, open up these blinds, let that natural lighting in. These can also be blacked out if you like. Over here to starboard, you have the galley with a sink, 42-inch TV behind the mirror, and a refrigerator here as well. Another thing you're gonna appreciate down here below deck is the dedicated owner's cabin with a queen-size bed, TV, and plenty of storage. In addition to being your dinette, the table drops down and makes a bed. There's also a Pullman bed over top, allowing you to sleep one more. Finally, on the aft portion, you have your ensuite. I hope you loved Arthur's Way as much as I do. If you want to get aboard, give me a call. Come and hang out with your buds.